What is up, guys, and welcome back to another reaction video. Today we have Nuke's Top 5 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras. Now, we all know doorbell cameras can be pretty scary sometimes, okay? And today we're gonna find out. So as always, thank you for clicking on this video, thank you for watching, and thank you for getting scared with me. Now, I'm drinking my Kong Strong again. What are you drinking? Let me know in the comments down below. Without further ado, let's get into the reaction.
Top 5 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras. A cry for help.
Okay.
This video was posted by Reddit user Unknown Truth. He says that his friend's wife had a very odd experience one day as she walked outside to do the laundry. The incident was caught on their Ring doorbell camera.
What? What was that sound?
The woman hears some strange noise, and it's not coming from the Ring camera speaker. In fact, the eerie moaning seems to be coming right out of the bare wall beside her.
Okay.
Now, I boosted the audio on this clip and, well, just take a listen.
Sounds like a dog squeaking for help.
Some strange voice in the wall seems to be crying out for help. The woman is so freaked out that she actually goes inside and calls the police.
I looked around, I didn't see anybody out on the road or any cars or anything. So I went back to my Ring video to make sure I wasn't just creatively hearing something.
I can hear somebody saying something, but I can't.
Well, I posted
Yeah, you
it
can clearly
on
hear
there.
a woman
The
just
police search the premises,
screaming for help.
but there's
But
no one there.
you can also hear a dog like
So just what
squeaking.
is this strange disembodied voice that seems to be begging for help?
that is weird.
Let me know what you think down in the comments.
That was definitely some lady like screaming for help or something. But you can also hear a dog just I don't know how you say it, like squeaking for help. And the dog was scared or something.
No treat.
Okay.
The thought of Halloween sparks images of happy children dressed in costumes rushing from door to door to collect as much candy as they can.
Okay.
But this next video didn't take place on Halloween. It happened in the middle of a sweltering summer day in August in San Antonio, Texas.
Yo, that's weird.
Trick or treat,
Trick or treat.
trick or treat, trick or treat. Smell my feet. My feet loose back. Stolen from the cinema. It's a sea life. Lucky truck.
And he's going again. What? Yo, that is
Bizarre masked
strange.
man says, "Trick or treat, smell my feet." Then he seems to get distracted by his own feet. And then he just seems to wander off in a confused state.
Yo.
Now, one has to wonder if the man had been having some special treats of his own.
What does he have in his
Surprise
bag, though?
visit. On a warm sunny day in May, Gerald Haywood
I
was
don't know.
visiting a friend's.
I don't know what that was. That was creepy. Maybe someone with like mental issues. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. But that's weird. Trick or treat, smell my feet. That's something you do on Halloween. Not just on a summer day. I bet he was confused as heck. I don't know.
Home in Lawton, Oklahoma. Now, in accordance with YouTube's family-friendly content guidelines, let me say in advance that no one was seriously hurt in this clip.
Okay,
I'll
good to know.
explain that later.
Is that the same guy? No, no, no. Oh! Oh! What the heck?
Hospital. Take it to the hospital. Get that safe. Get that safe. At your mailbox.
That was a damn snake!
No, I'm not.
Turns out that there's a 6-foot-long snake wrapped around the porch light. When Gerald opens the door, the snake strikes just above his right eye. Luckily, the snake is not venomous, and the bite above his eye isn't deep.
That's crazy! Imagine you going up to your house, and then on your mailbox there's a freaking long snake who bites you above the eye. That's insane.
Gerald was rushed to the hospital, but didn't require anything more than a couple of band-aids and some light antibiotics.
Wow.
And I have to admit, the first time I watched this video, I thought it was horrific. And the second time, I thought it was hilarious. So I'm sorry, Gerald.
Take it to the hospital. Take it to the hospital.
Okay, yeah. Thought it was hilarious. Alright, nice one, nice one. Alright, yeah.
Right there.
Damn.
Ghost caught on doorbell.
That got him messed up though.
YouTube user LexusJV claims that he caught a ghost on his Ring doorbell camera. At 4:23 in the morning, he got an alert that his camera had sensed motion. When
Okay.
he first reviewed the tape, he just noticed this, which just appears to be a spider web moving in the wind.
Okay.
But then, when he looked closer, he noticed this.
Yo, what?
It looks almost as if some shapeless white face is pressed to the window for a closer look inside. The Ring camera, sensing no more motion, just shuts off.
No.
And it didn't turn back on again for the rest of the night.
What?
So is this a ghost in the window, or just a trick of the light?
I thought it was like a person just standing in the back garden. Then he said it looked like a face pressed up against the glass. That I don't know, man. That's weird. And the camera fell out too. That's strange. That is
In
strange.
another alleged ghost Ring video, YouTuber Vengeance Gaming posted a video saying that he thought his Ring doorbell had picked up a ghost.
Okay. Okay, I see it. I see it. Could be the neighbor though. What is he or she doing? That is weird. And it's gone now, but
We see what looks like a woman dressed all in white who seems to walk out of the darkness from somewhere near the house. And then she just sort of walks off into the dark. Vengeance Gaming, who by the way has never posted another paranormal video on his channel, suggests that it could be, quote, the lady in white. But it could also simply just be a prank.
it could be a neighbor as well, I think. I think this is just a neighbor who's sleepwalking, and she's just going outside for a small stroll. I think that's it. I think it is.
You decide. One night. Late one night, an older woman named Kathleen hears something outside her Bristol, Connecticut home. Cautious about opening the door to a stranger, she looks outside and sees someone in a car parked just across the street from her house.
Okay.
She yells from a window.
Can I help you? The second time I yelled it, he took off without lights on and then went flying up the other street.
When Kathleen checks her Ring doorbell camera,
That ain't safe.
blood runs cold.
Oh? Yo, why is he smiling like that? Yo, he's up to no good. You can tell from a smile.
looks like a scene right out of a Purge movie.
Yeah.
And the potential intruder definitely seems to have meant Kathleen harm.
Watch how he wipes off the door handle, and he's got something heavy in his pocket.
Kathleen contacted the police,
Wow.
but the mysterious man in the smiling mask has never been found.
Damn.
It's not all bad. After all the weird and
Yo, good thing she didn't open the door, alright? Otherwise, she would have been hurt bad.
scary things that I've counted down in this list, it might seem like doorbell cameras only record frightening things and the absolute worst of human nature.
Okay.
So I wanted to include one last bonus story that might at least slightly restore your faith in humanity.
Okay.
Katie Eagermacris was leaving in a rush one morning from her Washington, D.C. home and forgot to zip her purse. Her wallet fell out somewhere along her way to work. She certainly never expected to see it again. But when she got home, she found this on her doorbell camera. The man who had found her wallet had checked her ID to find her address, and then had even delivered her wallet right to her door. He tries to put it in her mailbox, but it won't fit, so he hides it safely under the mat. Katie says that all of her credit
Hey man, shout out to the guy over there, man. We need more people like you, okay? We need more good people.
credit cards were there, and not even a single dollar was missing. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to submit or suggest a video, contact me at nukestop5@gmail.com. And please follow me on Twitter at nukestop5 for videos and other things. I don't know, something.
Hey, he got bitten by a snake, bro. That is crazy. I can't even imagine going up to my house and then get bit by a snake above my eye. But hey, that was it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. It wasn't that scary. It wasn't that scary. But hey, it's a doorbell thing, not a ghost reaction video. So what can you do? Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Click subscribe to see more content and to not miss any future uploads. And I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.